Are you recording a video, Howard? Hello, Howard. I thought that you might like to see a little drinky. It's Baileys. It's creamy beige. Do you want to see some watercolors? Here I have. This is Baileys, and this is a Baileys, but a bit bigger. And this is as close as you can to Baileys without getting your eyes wet. Do you love me? Do you think you could ever learn to love me?
No.
How come? We got all things that are good. We got Baileys, creamy beige. You want to see my downstairs mixer? What about the boat times? What about the boat times out? Yeah, you pulled me up from the water with your strong man arms. Howard, we got all things that are good. Do you love me?